Shopify Payments is an integrated payment gateway that allows online merchants to accept payments from their customers through credit cards, debit cards, and other payment methods. Setting up Shopify Payments is a simple and straightforward process that can be done within minutes. In this step by step guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up Shopify Payments so you can start accepting payments on your online store. Step 1. Sign up for a Shopify account. The first step is to sign up for a Shopify account if you don't have one already. Go to the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill in the required details such as your email address, password, and store name. Step 2. Add your business information. Once you have created your account, you will need to provide your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. This information will be used to verify your account and ensure that you are a legitimate business. Step 3. Activate Shopify Payments. To activate Shopify Payments, go to the Settings section in your Shopify dashboard and click on Payments. Click on the Activate button next to Shopify Payments. You will be asked to provide additional information about your business, such as your tax ID and bank account information. Step 4. Provide banking information. Shopify Payments will require your banking information to deposit funds into your account. Enter your bank account information in the banking section of the Shopify Payments page. Make sure you double check your information to avoid any errors. Step 5. Set up payouts. After entering your banking information, you will need to set up payouts. Payouts determine how and when you will receive payments from Shopify. You can choose between automatic and manual payments. Automatic payouts are deposited directly into your bank account within 2 business days, while manual payouts require you to manually transfer funds from your Shopify account to your bank account. Step 6. Verify your account. Before you can start accepting payments through Shopify Payments, you will need to verify your account. Shopify will send you an email with instructions on how to verify your account. You may need to provide additional documentation such as government-issued ID or business registration documents. Step 7. Start accepting payments. Once you have completed all the steps, you can start accepting payments through Shopify Payments. Customers can now make purchases on your website using their credit or debit cards, and the funds will be automatically deposited into your bank account. Setting up Shopify Payments is an essential step for any online business owner. It allows you to accept payments from customers quickly and easily, while also providing a secure and reliable payment gateway. With the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can easily set up Shopify Payments and start accepting payments on your online store. And that's the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.